Watch this.
I packed my heart in a suitcase last night. Left the shadows where they couldn't fight.
I made this entire music video using AI in a few minutes. This is Freebeat AI. It automatically syncs your music with stunning visuals, smooth transitions, and effects, so you can create professional-looking videos without ever touching an editing timeline. So in this video, I'll show you exactly how to use Freebeat AI to create stunning music and lyric videos. You'll find links to all the exclusive discounts in the description below. Once you sign in, you'll see a clean, simple interface that's really easy to navigate. Let's jump into the first tool, music-to-music video. Here, you can either upload your own audio file or paste a link directly from platforms like Suno, Spotify, YouTube, or TikTok. For this demo, I'm uploading my own royalty-free track. Once the track is uploaded, you'll see a waveform preview and a simple timeline editor on the screen. This is where you choose which part of your song the video should cover. You can use the full track or just a segment, but it needs to be at least 30 seconds long. I'm starting with a short 30-second section to test how it looks. You can do the same when making your full video. It's easier to edit and regenerate in smaller chunks. Later, you can stitch everything together in an editor like Canva. Next up is step 2, choosing what you want to create. Click on Music Video. Now, this is the most important part. Your text prompt tells the AI exactly what kind of visuals to generate. The more detailed and creative your prompt is, the better your results will look. When writing your prompt, be descriptive and paint a clear picture. Mention the visual style you want, like cinematic, anime, watercolor, whatever fits your vibe, and set the mood with words like energetic, dreamy, or intense. Add small details like the setting, lighting, or time of day, and think like a filmmaker by describing camera movements such as close-ups or slow motion. It also helps to include a short prompt for the instrumental intro at the start of your song, so the visuals flow naturally with the lyrics. When you're ready to generate, you'll see two options, fast mode and custom mode. Fast mode is perfect for quick results. It's fast and simple, but doesn't let you change much. Custom mode gives you full creative control, letting you pick from different AI models like Runway or Luma, each with its own strengths and supported video lengths. I'm choosing custom mode and selecting Runway Gen 3 as my model, keeping the aspect ratio at 16:9. Once everything's set, check the box confirming you're over 18, then hit Generate. Freebeat AI will start processing, and in just a few minutes, your video will come to life. One thing to keep in mind, if you're on the free plan, generation can take quite a while, sometimes up to 30 minutes or more during busy hours. That's one of the trade-offs of using the free tier. Since I'm using the premium plan, it took about 15 minutes to generate this 30-second video. Alright, let's check the results.
I packed my heart in a suitcase last night. Left the shadows where they couldn't fight. Took the long road, the sunrise in my sight. Every mile whispers.
They actually look really good. I barely noticed any distortions, and the character stayed almost perfectly consistent with just a few minor differences between clips. The only thing I didn't love was the transition between scenes. They feel a bit unnatural, but that can easily be fixed with a bit of smoothing in an external editor. Let's download the video because now it's time to try one of Freebeat's coolest features, Dance Video. Click on Music to Dance Video from the sidebar. The steps here are pretty similar to before. Upload your music file or paste a link, then choose what you want to create. Next, upload a full image of your character and pick a dance genre. I went with jazz. It seems the tool is still in development since a lot of dance genres and the reference dance move options are marked as coming soon. After that, you can choose a background. This part's pretty cool because you can even set it to green and replace it later during editing. You can also go with a white background. Use a template or upload your own image. I uploaded a photo of a gym room and clicked Generate. The video style matches the character image you upload, so you don't have to worry about that. Since both my character and background were in a 9:16 portrait ratio, I kept that for the output as well. Now, let's click Generate and wait while it processes. Just like before, the 30-second clip took about 15 minutes to render. And here are the results.
The sunrise in my sight.
Honestly, not great. The tool still needs some improvement. The dance movements look okay, but not fully accurate. And once the reference dance feature is added, it'll probably get much better. Right now, the background compositing looks rough, almost like the dancer was just pasted onto the image, which makes it feel a bit unnatural. Still, I'm hopeful. Freebeat clearly has a lot of potential, and with a few updates, this feature could become something really impressive. Now, let's move on to another exciting one, the Lyric Video Tool. It's a free, limited-time feature offered by Freebeat. Start the same way. Upload your music or paste the link. Set your time frame and aspect ratio, then hit Generate. And here are the
I
results.
packed my heart in a suitcase last night. Left the shadows where they couldn't fight. Took the long road, the sunrise in my sight.
It actually turned out pretty workable. The only thing I didn't like was that some of the images didn't quite match the lyrics, especially this one, which has text written at the top, and it doesn't look great. Overall, if I had to give my take on Freebeat AI, it's a solid tool, especially for the music video feature, which performed better than most AI tools I've tried. The dance and lyric video features still need a bit of work, but they're promising. Now, let's talk pricing. On the free plan, you get 500 one-time credits, but outputs include watermarks, and you'll have to suffer longer wait times as said earlier. If you're creating more often, the basic weekly plan is perfect, costing $5 per week, giving you 1,990 credits weekly, plus access to longer videos, watermark-free exports, and faster generation speeds. So try out Freebeat AI using the discount link in the description and let me know your feedback in the comments below. And for another helpful AI tutorial, watch this video next.